something like that. Then I'm gonna be editing later, and then after that, we're gonna like go shoot some hoops. After I get done riding my bike, we maybe go water bottle flipping or something, and then you could comment. For the next video, I will show you something huge. It is, you're not gonna believe it. It's over 1,000, 2,000, maybe even 10,000. It is magnificent. But if they hurt you, you will surely die. So let's go shoot some hoops or something. Alright, we got the basketball or other basketballs in our neighbor's yard. Not feel like going to get that. But first shot, watch this. Ready? Oh, first shot. Alright. Now I'm going to try to make a back. Are you ready? Oh, I made a back shot. And for the grand finale, see that tire? Oh, well that sucked. That was my neighbor's dog. But let's go flip some water bottles. And here we have this messy shed. But I got a Gatorade bottle right here. I don't know if it's gonna work for flipping. I might have to get my water bottle, but yeah, no. There's one flip. Alright, no. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a water bottle. Alright, I got my water bottle, and I'm gonna flip this. Whoa, I think this one's actually too heavy. So you know what that means. Perfect. All I gotta do is just pour it out. I know my hair is crazy, but oh well. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we're gonna switch it up and find something different to go do. Alright. Oh, okay, let's see. I've done this plenty of times. I capped it too, right there. And if you want, that's how you do it. Ugh. Now this right here is the grand finale. If I can hit it right here, I can surely hit it up to that wooden thing. I catch that one on tape, or that one, and a that. Alright, let's see. Alright. That. No. Ugh. I probably got like 60 water bottles up there. And I gotta get them down. But I will be getting those down later. And let's take a ride on my motorcycle. So it turns out that I left my motorcycle on all night. It's on low. But it still rides. It still rides though. That's a good thing. That's my favorite part about this motorcycle. It still rides, even if it's not charged. I haven't charged it for a week, maybe even not 2, because I got caught by a cop. And it's crazy. And there's this dog actually chases me on this thing. Alright, y'all missed it. I didn't tape it. I should have taped it. But a couple of hours ago, I kind of wrecked on my motorcycle. Yeah, I hit the tree, it literally spun back around. It was crazy. But my motorcycle's still on, and we're gonna try to take a ride. I have bruises all over me now. It's just insane. We're back on the motorcycle. And I want to show you something. I got these shoes. Actually, last Christmas I think it was. Hey, Halloween's close. Monday. Oh, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? No, I don't like seeing that. Ooh. 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 Sometimes you just gotta scare them away. I actually wanted to show y'all something. So these are my shoes I got. Oh, you can't really see them out here. Let's go in the shed. Let's get ready to cut that off and shut this door. Whoa, it is dark. Let's open that door. Alright, so these are my shoes. They're actually pretty awesome because they change colors. And then they do that at the end. So I'm going to wear these to Fright Fest tonight. Everything's working out pretty good. But I hope y'all like this video. Comment if you're going to Fright Fest, or comment, have you ever been to Six Flags? Or something like that. You can like if you want to, but you don't have to. But I hope y'all having a fantastic day. Share to everyone, caring, love. Peace out.